I represent Jnana Prabodhini, or in North India it is pronounced as Gyan Prabodhini, awakener of knowledge. When students are sent every year for study tours or doing some work all over India, they go to tribal villages, they go to hamlets of nomadic tribes, they go to houses of seasonal migrated laborers. Everywhere they go in teams and try to experience their life, and then they come across such type of questions. Why these people have remained downtrodden? What exactly made us develop, and why they are like this? So are there any tools for their development? And they understand that education is the tool. There is another program called Gyan Setu, and at present some of these alumni, they are leading this Gyan Setu program, which is conducted in 8 different states of India. That there is a flexible subject content, priority to learning skills, planned exposures. This is very important. We plan them, those exposures are planned, but many times children don't understand it is a planned exposure. It's novelty for them, sometimes surprise to them, and that makes impact. But it needs a lot of planning from teacher's side. Challenge is created to respond. Sometimes immediate response is not there. Response comes after 8-10 years, but that experience remains in the minds of children. Why we are doing this? So education is about man making for nation building. So they have to think of their society. Education is not only one's personality development, but one has to go beyond that, think of the neighboring community, think beyond neighboring community also, and think of humanity. Nation building is a step towards that. So as Swamiji's words, Swami Vivekananda's words, man making for nation building, that is our aim.